What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to today's video. Now today is going to be a little bit different because it's not really a cooking video or a vlog or anything like that. This is just something that I decided I was going to do, and I kind of wanted to share with you guys because some of you guys, might find it funny or are curious. And today's going to be a face-to-face Friday video. But the trick here is I'm actually going to be getting rid of the beard. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll have seen that, I went from having probably about this length on the sides to looking like, Gandalf, to coming back to being a little more professional like this. It's been all over the place. Now, the thing you don't realize is I've had a beard long before I started keto or anything like that. So when I had the last time I had my face clean shaven, I was 325, 330 pounds. So even if you look at my transformation photos, all of them have beards. So I think it'll be interesting just to actually see what my face looks like. Now, it took some convincing with Olivia because she loves the beard. She's always liked the beard. I actually like it because I ride motorcycles a lot and it keeps my face a little bit warm during the winter. But that's alright. My curiosity of what my face actually looks like has outweighed the, benefits of having a beard. So today we are going to get rid of it. So I'm doing this for you all. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to this video, and let's see what happens. Alright, everybody, we're kind of at the point of no return here, so let's see what happens. Looking better? I think this would be a great compromise. Half and half, right? Alright guys, rough trim. Haven't had like a bare face in, I don't know, probably 4 years now. Looks pretty good to me. I'm actually gonna take a razor to it and actually go completely flush. Let's hope I don't cut myself. So I actually can't use cartridge razors because I'm allergic to some of the metals that they put in there, so I actually have to use a straight razor. And considering I've only used it for like lining up the edges in the past couple years, this could get interesting. So let's see what happens. Alright, everybody, thankfully I did not Sweeney Todd myself. Time to get back to the couch and let's talk. Like I said, this is the first time I've actually seen my face in probably 3 years, so give me a second, we'll get back to the couch and have a little chat. Alright, everybody, we are back at the couch and it is time for the reaction. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a picture right here of what I currently look, just a close-up of all this, and then what I used to look like here with the beard, or probably at my biggest. I'm going to put them up right there. So that's what I look like now. Now, what I always say, first reaction is I look like a child. Now, keep in mind, I'm only 24. I turned 25 in June. By the way, if any of you guys are going to KetoCon, we will be at KetoCon, but also June 26th is my birthday, so I'm either going to throw a birthday party on the 26th or the 27th in Austin, so put that on your calendar if you plan on going to KetoCon. I think it'll be a great time. I've already reached out to Ben over at Primal Bro, and I think he's actually going to make it, and just a few other people that I know are going to be down there. So if you guys want to join us, go ahead and mark that on your calendar, and we'll do it. Getting back to the topic at hand here. So the reason I actually decided to do this was, A, people are curious. B, I've had the beard for so long, and I'm curious. And C, the beard doesn't always look great. Now, I like it because it makes me look older. It keeps my face warm when I'm riding a motorcycle. I don't have to worry about these hideous outbreaks from allergic reactions from razor blades. All around, it was a simpler option. But I wanted something that looks a little cleaner, and I actually was just curious to see how my face has changed. And it's not as round as it used to be, so I definitely like that. So I'm probably going to keep this for a little while. Fun fact, Olivia actually does not know that I did this. Now, we've talked about it before. She was a huge fan of the beard, but I actually didn't tell her that I was going to do it today, so we'll see when she gets home and see what happens there. That probably won't make it into this video, but maybe I'll shoot a clip and post it on Instagram or something. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead right here, at Keto Life Fitness. Always plug. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know it's nothing, keto related or anything fun, but I do this kind of stuff just kind of share my life with you guys, and this is the stuff I'm actually starting to enjoy a lot lately. Shooting recipes is fun, but it's always so nerve-wracking on whether or not you guys are going to like it, because some of my recipes are a big hit, some of them are a flop, some of that's just because, you know, it wasn't quite ready yet, or I figured out a better way to do it later on, and then I regret releasing the previous recipe. Whatever the case may be, I always update them on my website, so check that out as well. But these videos are fun because it allows me to get to know you and you get to know me on a personal level, and I don't have to worry so much about whether or not people are going to love the recipe or hate it or whatever. So thanks for stopping by, guys. If you have not subscribed yet, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave some comments, make me feel a little bit better about my baby face. Oh, by the way, we got some logos made for the channel finally. I know it's been a year without logos. So this one here is kind of like my avatar logo that I like. It's kind of going to be my profile picture on everything. And this here is going to be like the channel logo. So that's actually awesome. I'm also working on the business licensing and things like that to make Keto Lifestyle an actual thing, because this is growing out of control and I love it, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing. But now it's time to actually start treating this like a business instead of just me screwing around on the internet, which I'm still going to be doing. I love screwing around on the internet, but it's getting to the point where my tax guy's like, you know, we should probably like do a business here because you're spending way too much money on this crap and there are tax write-offs if you were a business. So that's kind of where we're going with this. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one.